welcome back. We are here today. We have our first beef jerky Amazing Clubs box, so we're really excited to test this out. We both really like beef jerky,
yeah,
so
do.
You know, we get tired of seeing the same old thing around here, so we're excited to try something new.
So these will come all across the country, different types of jerky. So let's go ahead and dive in. See what we got. So on each one of these boxes, they usually have like a coupon or something to like save on like another subscription. So those are pretty handy.
Yep, and then it gives you kind of an information card. I don't know if it's like a card, it's a piece of paper, but it gives you a little bit of information about each of the jerkies that are in here. So that's kind of cool. You get to learn a little bit about them.
Like where they come from, and stuff like that.
How it's made, that kind of thing. Yeah. So that's cool.
All right, so let's see what we got.
We get 3.
Oh, 3. Oh, okay.
Nice.
That's a good size portions too. All right, let's get started with the taste. All right, so first up, we're gonna try the Crockett Creek original beef jerky.
Let's dig in. I was about to say,
Smells good.
Smell it.
Yeah, it smells good.
Ooh, it does smell good. It smells good. That does smell good. Almost smells like Worcestershire sauce.
That smells delicious. So.
Oh, giant pieces. Looking for a smaller piece. Okay, not that small.
All right.
Ooh, it does smell really good.
All right, let's try it. I like that.
It's got good flavor.
I like that a lot. That is delicious.
Yeah, you would eat the whole bag in like 5 seconds.
This might be my dinner tonight. This is delicious.
It is really good.
Wow.
It's got a nice, good chewiness, but it's not like too hard and crunchy.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know what that flavor is, but that is like delicious for real.
Yummy.
I like this one. So good. We're off to a good start. I'm excited.
1 for 1.
Yeah. That is really good. Wow.
So this one has, well, not a ton of ingredients, which is actually really nice. So there's not a lot of things you're not expecting, but obviously beef, soy sauce. It's got water, brown sugar with just a little bit of hint of sweetness, vinegar. I think the liquid smoke is what we were smelling. That's really good. Hot sauce. It's got pineapple juice in it and garlic powder. Interesting. It's very good. Been producing premium jerky since 1994.
Where's it from? What city or state?
So this Crockett Creek is from Knoxville, Tennessee.
Oh, Tennessee. Stop. I see you. I see you.
All right, so now we're moving on to number 2. So we've got the Gold Rush Honey Barbecue Beef Jerky, and so this one is actually made in Litchfield, Ohio. So we're excited to try this one.
All right.
Ohio in the house.
Let's get that smell test, girl.
Smells like barbecue. Sorry. Smells barbecue-y.
Yeah, barbecue. Yeah. All right. Let's hop in.
Let's see what it is. Oops.
All right, look at my fingers.
All right, let's try it. Cheers. Pink. It's very tender.
Yeah.
You taste the sweetness.
Yeah.
But it's not overpowering.
No, it's not.
And I was noticing that I can definitely see several pepper flakes in here. Just black pepper it looks like, but I think that helps balance it a little bit.
Yep, because I can taste a little bit, like a little bit of the spice in there a little bit. I like that.
It's good. I do like the
It's very
tenderness.
tender. Yeah, very tender.
I'd eat it again.
Oh yeah, for sure.
2 for 2.
This is gonna be a lot of fun. Jerky's already mine. This is gonna be a lot of fun.
That was good.
I'm really full on this.
I think they're correct when it says moist, tender, and delicious.
I would agree.
Yep.
100%.
That's good. Cool. Moving on to number 3. All right, so we're moving on to our third one, and I have to correct myself because when I read it the first time, I said Saint Snacks. That is wrong. As I read the fine print, it's Willow Street Snacks. My bad. I'm not afraid to admit when I'm wrong. Anyway, either way, I think this is gonna be good. This is supposed to be spicy, so we've got cherry habanero, so let's dig in.
All right, I'm looking forward to that because we love spiciness in this house. Let's do a smell test, girl.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, I can music down with that.
All right, it's interesting. It's little pieces. Like, I think there's cherries in there.
What?
Are those cherries?
There are cherries in here, so it's like, yeah, those are cherries.
Those are cherries.
Okay, should we gotten a plate for this?
Or in my hand. We're not that fancy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's enough.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Okay, so we poured this out, and this is not just beef jerky. You also get cherries, which is interesting. So, do you try it together? I don't know.
Maybe I'll do the jerky by itself.
And then with the cherry?
Yeah, maybe that.
Okay.
So let's try this.
It looks good.
This is very interesting.
They're very like little small bite-sized pieces.
Yeah.
Which is interesting.
And like, there's lots of like season on these
yeah, definitely.
pieces. So I'm like, is this gonna be like really, really, really hot?
We'll see.
Let's go.
Cheers.
That's hot.
Oh, it definitely has a kick.
And I like spicy, so. So I wonder if you're supposed to, like, if they want you to eat a cherry with it.
Well, that just means you need another bite.
Yeah, of course.
It's an interesting texture, and I've never seen beef jerky in little pieces like this. I actually kind of like having the bite-sized pieces.
Yeah, that way.
Sometimes I feel like I'm like.
And also, you're not hogging. Like, oh, I'm just gonna get it all to my mouth.
Yeah. Okay, I'm trying it with a cherry. We'll see.
Very good.
I like it with the cherry.
That is really different. You would definitely have to. I would highly recommend eating it with the cherry. That is
delicious.
Good.
It's delicious. I'm having another bite.
That is. I like that. That's very unique. So shout out to Willow Street.
Willow Street. I like your style.
Yeah, that's spicy for real.
It has a nice kick to it, but it's not overly where you can't eat it. But it's got a nice kick.
I would change. I'll probably put a little more salt on it.
The only thing I would change is I would just have more. Especially the cherries, those are delicious. That's really good. So this one is out of Trenton, New Jersey. So.
Yes, it's grass fed and it's organic fruit. So. Yeah.
Street, not Saint.
Yeah.
Delicious. There's one more bite for you. Don't forget the cherry.
No, I can't miss that.
Yeah, that's good. I like that. I didn't expect there to be cherries in there. I just thought it was gonna be like somehow cured with cherries. I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know. I thought like maybe they rubbed cherries on it. I don't know.
That's good.
Yeah. All right. We're back. So overall, I enjoyed all 3 of those jerkies. I'm definitely looking forward to like next month and trying those out. But I won't get ahead of myself. I'm definitely gonna eat these in the meantime.
Oh yeah. Well, that's not gonna tide you over for a whole month.
No,
I mean those might not make it the rest of the day. I don't know.
That may not make it. Like it may not make it through the night. I would go down there, have me a nice little glass of wine, and pull some beef jerky and my baby next to me, and enjoy myself.
They were very good. 3 for 3 on the jerky.
Yeah, they were all good.
Yeah,
so.
agreed. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know we did. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See you next month.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.